At Ergoweld, we are dedicated to manufacturing and distributing MIG-MAG welding torches and manual, automatic, and robotic TIG torches with more than 25 years of experience in the business. We work with a great variety of raw materials, developing and manufacturing our products to the highest quality standards, always seeking perfection and welding precision like it's never been seen before. We pride ourselves in maintaining the headquarters of our factory in Valencia, Spain, from where we design, manufacture, distribute, and sell all of our products. This is our guarantee for quality and reliability. By providing unbeatable proximity service and also availability of immediate stock. Having an R&D department allows us to be at the forefront of the design and technological advances that we then apply to our products, therefore keeping them up to date to the most complex welding processes. Personalization is one of our main pillars. 25 years of experience support us when finding suitable solutions to cater each and every client. We established ourselves in the field of welding torches. With Ergoweld, we manufacture and retail manual torches and accessories. In the robotic market, we deliver solutions with our ed-robotics brand, backed by several multinational companies that have given us their confidence year after year. In conclusion, Ergoweld upholds a philosophy of innovating and developing in order to continue advancing in the current market and having a strong R&D department dedicated to the development of new welding applications. Ergoweld can engage with its customers to provide customized solutions both in the area of manual welding and robotics.